Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Want to make your Excel data more interactive and easier to filter? Let's learn how to add a slicer. Okay, let's start. First, make sure your data is in a table format. Select your data. Then go to Insert. Click on Table. This step is crucial because slicers work with tables. With your table selected, go to the Insert tab again, and this time choose Slicer. Slicers make filtering your data as easy as clicking a button. You will see a list of column names. These are your fields. Pick the field you want to filter by, like employee name, month, or region, and click OK. This will create a slicer. I want to make my slicer display in 5 columns. Click on the slicer. Go to the Slicer tab. And in the button section, set the columns to 5. Now we can click on any option within the slicer, and your data will instantly filter to show only relevant information. You can even customize the slicer style by selecting it and using the slicer style option. Make it match your sheet. Want to reset? Just hit the clear filter button. And that's how you add a slicer in Excel to make filtering fast and interactive. For more quick Excel tips, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.